Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Series HD. This truck has a Duramax diesel and an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. Engine code is an LBZ. This is the one that you want. This is a previous state-owned truck. It's a one owner. Body's in pretty good shape. It's hard to say something is rust-free, but this truck is pretty close to rust-free. It has a surface rust on the frame, but very minimal on just a couple components, but frame is in good shape for the year. The rockers are all good. This is a short bed, 6-foot bed. As you can see, it's pretty straight too. The red that you see there is a sticker. It's a decal that they use for their roadside emergency patrol. You can peel that red piece off, but the yellow stays. As you can see here, like I'm saying, the frame is in really good shape. It has some small areas of surface rust, but really this frame is quite exceptional out of a truck of this age. All the tires are in good shape. Now it has the aero board up top. We're working on getting that working for someone that may need that. This is a highly desirable truck with the very desirable LBZ engine. Bed rails have some small amount of rust, but nothing out of line. The rust on this gas cap here, but again, the truck is fairly straight. Not many small dings or dents, and definitely no major damage. But as you see here, the rockers, like I said, both of them are in good shape. Cab corners are in good shape as well. As you can see, this red piece, like I was saying, is just a decal. It started to peel back there, so if you wanted to remove that, you certainly could. The underside of this truck's in very nice shape. The brake lines look like they have been replaced. So that's an added little bonus. This is a work truck configuration. It's got manual windows, manual seats. It's pretty much bare bones work truck, but nothing to go wrong. It is an extended cab. These doors will fold back. It gives you a seat for passengers and storage back there. Alright, she's showing 141,740 at the time of this video. The motor sounds great. I've driven this truck. The Allison goes through all the gears as it should. We've got a radio, heat and air there. This is the controller for the Trafficon if you needed the aero board. Inside here is pretty clean. The seats aren't all ripped up. Headliner's in good shape, has a small sag there, but you can probably pin that up. Vinyl floors, floor shift 4-wheel drive. This truck is no frills, it's ready to go to work. overall, it's a good looking truck. Goes down the road nice, ready to hit the road. You can check it out for sale on eBay. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message. I'd be happy to help you with this truck. Thanks for watching.